everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosie, and today I am real excited to unbox an item from a small business that I found on Facebook. This wonderful shop is called Diamonds Pop by Alexa, and she has a Facebook shop, and I had found her channel through Instagram, and I found out the channel was, apologies, the shop was through Facebook, and I joined the group. I fell in love with the items that she does make by hand. She's a one person, she creates everything. Sorry, I forgot what the word was. And she's really neat. You can reach out to her through Messenger, and you can either pick one of the items that she posts on her page that you wish to purchase, and she'll work with you. Really kind, really awesome service, and I really wanted the item she posted. So it did come in this wonderful box. All of the washi tape is covering all of my, hopefully covers enough of my sensitive information. There's cute little stickers and everything. I really love that. I guess her mascot, I guess you can call it, is, oh my goodness, I keep forgetting the name. I think it's Kuromi from Hello Kitty, and she uses tape, as you can see the character. It's super cute, and it was all wrapped around the box. I love how the box came. I love the bright colors, all of the warnings and everything for when they were handling the package. It was sent through post office, and then it transitioned over to UPS. That happens sometimes, especially where I live. So let's see what's inside, and oh my goodness, that's cute. So I opened it because I wanted to find if there's an invoice, but I did not locate one, so I'd have to be quick if I spot it. Oh my goodness, these are kind of like packing peanuts, but packing hearts. They're so cute. They're all over the box. I really like that. Really decorative, and it really does keep it secured. And all of the items are wrapped in this really pretty paper. I know it's supposed to help whenever, let's say, there's a hard tap and all of that, so that's why this paper is cut up with sections. And I'm just checking. Nope, I don't see a packing invoice. I need to check right now. I'm just being really careful. And oh my goodness, I really love the hearts. I think I'll put them in a container, just decorative, because it's so pretty, and also because I hide them from my cat. So the wonderful items that she sells, they're photo frames. Yeah, photo frames. I believe that's what they're called. I don't know the actual technical name, but they're photo frames specifically to hold the image of whatever painting or canvas you're working on. And that's why I have this wonderful painting here, because I'm going to show you what it looks like. And it's so cute. There's a wonderful little thank you card, and for supporting my small business. She's a small business, and that is so cute. I love the card. It's so cute. So this little ribbon, let me undo it. Magic inside. It isn't natural. So let me open it up real quick. And oh my goodness, that is so cute. Here's a rubber ducky. Okay, sorry about that. My phone decided to tell me, guess what? You run out of space. And I knew for sure it cleared a lot, but according to it, I didn't have enough. So sorry if there's a weird little hiccup when I'm editing the video. But I do love the little ducky. Oh, it's so cute. And I collect these because they do offer them where I work sometimes for events. So, but this one is so cute. It's the first time I ever got one in, any of my orders. It is so cute. I really like it. And oh my goodness, these are such cute items. Oh, these are little Post-its. Okay, I love Post-its. I have them everywhere. So this is so cute. Love notes by Post-it. I love the XO. I really like that. And wonderful little items in here. I was not expecting any little gifts. I was just super, really want to purchase the item, and it's just, I don't know, I just really like her little shop, and it's really cool with all of the items she offers. And oh my goodness, this is cool. It's a horoscope of the constellations washi tape. Oh, I really like that. And let me see. Oh, there's a little cover minder. Oh, it's a little sheep. It's a little sheep. I love sheep as a crocheter, yarn lover, knitter, all of that. I just love sheep. This is so cute. Oh, I cannot wait to use that. And let's see what else is in here. I believe this is hand sanitizer. I do appreciate that because I really use this stuff a lot, especially for where I work. I really love the thank you on it. And let's see. Memento Mori. Oh, these are stickers. Oh dear. I think something might have leaked. Oh, it's an alcohol pad. And they're cute little stickers. I can clean them. There's a little duck. There's a little potion. And I'm not too sure what this is. Oh, it's another business card. See? Diamonds Pop by Alexa. I love her little emblem. And yeah, I think that's another sticker. I'm going to clean it up because I really love her little business card. There we go. I hope this makes you smile. Ooh, it really does. I just have to clean it a bit. I think I might know what. Oh, there's a nice scent to it that might have melted in it, and that's on me. Apologies, because where I live, it's especially for this past summer, it's been over 100 degrees, so you can keep something out there for 3 minutes and it's gonna melt on you. So that's on me because I knew something was good, and I've ordered wax before, so it melts. So apologies for that. And I believe it might be this. Rose lips for sorry, I can't read. For soft, smooth lips. And it's a lip balm. Yeah, it is. That's what melted. Oh, I really like it. I'm going to have to probably clean it. Yeah, so you can see, I believe it melted. That's all right. As I said, lip balm is not that hard to clean. So I would just have to clean the stickers, especially the card, because I really love the card. And let me actually put all this aside so it doesn't, I don't make it sticky a bit. Well, it's not really sticky. It's more oily. And I don't have a napkin, so it's okay. I'll wash my pants later. I love the little duck, though. I'm going to keep it here with my diamond painting items and my little sheep. Oh, I really love it. I have a metal platform. There you go. It's going to stand there. I am not too sure what this is. And I'm listening for a plane. Nope. I'm not too sure what this is. I didn't order this as well. Oh, thank you for supporting my small business. Oh my goodness. I really appreciate all these little gifts. It's so cute. And I really thought it was a lipstick. It's not. Oh my goodness. I love how it's all bedazzled. I love the sparkle. Oh, it's just a container. Oh, that is really cool. As you can see, there's nothing in the container, but it's a metal, and it's a keychain. This is really neat. I think I could carry as, a lipstick, a lip balm, and all of that. Oh, I really love this. Oh my goodness, I'm going to keep doing this because I love the sparkle. This is really cool. Thank you so much. I love this. I have an item to put in for it. But I could use it as a little trash pot here on my desk because it stands really well. Oh, I really like this. I'm thinking of different ideas to do with it, but I really appreciate this. I really like it. So I put it aside. And the items that I ordered. So as I said, it's a small picture frame. So you can put whatever image you are of whatever painting or canvas you're working on. For me, I saw that it fits perfectly for Diamond Art Club Treasure Quest cards. So since the majority of the time I'm working on a Diamond Art Club here at home, I decided, yeah, you know what? I should get one. And mostly because I love how she hand makes her items, which you'll see in a moment. And she also makes tweezers. Yeah, this is gorgeous. When I saw it, I originally was just going to buy the frame, but it was a set. And I thought, yeah, I need to get the tweezers because it just matches perfectly with the frame. And they're just so pretty. And she hand makes these. So that's why I really wanted to pick it up. And these are the tweezers. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. And if y'all are familiar with the wonderful world of Sailor Moon, you probably recognize this little kitty cat. And I love the little moon on top. Oh, this is so pretty. And I love that it's the plastic tips. And I've seen other painters paint with these, so I decided, you know what, I should try this, especially for squares. They're really comfortable, really smooth. Sorry, I'm going to keep making that tapping noise. I really want to work with them. So that's why I decided, you know what, I'm going to get the tweezers as well. And they're just so pretty. You can see the sparkle of all of the little decals she put on it. And I love the little glitter effect of the little enamel on it. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm really scared of dropping them. So, let's check out the print. I'm going to have to put one of my little packing hearts over there. So, this is the base of the frame. I noticed it. Thank you. I love all the thank you stickers. I'm a big fan of that. So, this is the little frame. I'm sorry, the little base. And this, and this is the frame. So, let me put this back in the box real quick. Same thing with the ribbon, because if my cats catch this, ooh, I'm in trouble. So I love that everything's really nice and packed. So it's to keep everything really secured. As you all saw, everything that was packed on it, they'll keep it from shaking and all of that. So I'm a big fan of that. I really don't want to tear this paper, but I love these stickers. I'm going to see if I can save them, because I love stickers. So let me just try to lift it up carefully. I know, I feel like I'm opening a Christmas present. And yeah, I do it too. I'm really careful. I'm not tearing the paper. I'm one of those. I do that. And this is the gorgeous, oh my goodness, frame. Oh, that is so beautiful. As y'all can see, they're the Sailor Scouts from Sailor Moon. So let me pick this up. It's a little heavy, but it doesn't make me nervous. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. She hand makes these, and I was so impressed when I found that out. And it's gorgeous. She put it up for sale, and all you do is claim one, and she'll reach out to you, send an invoice, and voila. It'll be yours. Oh, this is so pretty. And you can see all the scouts. I'm being so careful because I really don't want to. It's more of me because I'm nervous than I'm clumsy. And you can see the Sailor Scouts. So I'm trying really hard to see if I can name them all, because I get confused. I know this is Mars, Venus, Mercury, Sailor Moon, Jupiter, and I think this is Chibi Moon, I believe. But it's so cute. You see all of the stars, the moons, the wonderful wand. I love the moon. I'm a big fan of that. And to me, it makes me think of frosting. You can see the wonderful little paste I believe she uses to put down the decals. I really like that. It really does make me think of frosting, but I think it's because I like cupcakes a lot. So you would just place it in the base. And I don't know if I have to remove something or if I have to slide it through. I think I slide. Oh, yeah, I do slide it through. Oh, there we go. So you just slide it through because it has kind of a triangle shape, and that's why I was able to slide it, and voila, that's what it looks like with the base. So I'm gonna have to lean it a bit, and there you go. Oh, this is so cool. So the wonderful painting of this one is called Beyond the Clouds. It's my Bear Brick Gia whip that I've been working on, and I knew in a heartbeat I wanted to get this canvas because this wonderful painting, as y'all can see, it's a young lady. Well, in the clouds, in the space, and everything. So I'm trying to see if I just slide it. Oh, you can lift it. Oh my goodness, I'm so scared to do that. So y'all can see I can lift it up. Or I think if I can slide it sideways, but it started lifting up when I was pushing the card through. Oh my goodness, I am so nervous putting this in. I don't know why. And I just have to even it out. Yeah, it's like a photo. Whoop, and it stuck to my fingers. Should have cleaned my hands a little more. And let me see if I can get it straight. I'm sure there's a better way to put it, but oh, that's okay. Yay! Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. It's a little crooked. I think if I'm not recording, I could probably put this a lot better, but I don't want y'all to miss the magic. Oh, that's so cool. And so you just slide it back. I'm being real careful. And voila. Oh, that is so cool. Hold on, now I'm curious. Oh, the back lets you know it's a Church of Course card. It's clear in the back, so but it's the front that's the frame. So as y'all can see, it holds the cards. I've seen other painters have these, and I always thought they were real neat. And I love just having it here to kind of remind me, because since I'm always, moving around whips and all of that, I love the idea that whatever whip I really want to just focus on, I can always just see the image. And I do that as well. I love referring whenever I'm painting to make sure, oh, it's this color and all of that. I do it to the thumbprint on the paintings, but I love that now I can see the wonderful card and I can compare it. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, I'm going to show it again because really I am so loving this. And my voice keeps getting higher. Apologies for that. Oh, this is so pretty. And I already know I'm going to buy a couple more. I'm not joking at all. This is really nice. Really good quality. Oh, no issue at all. I always do that with my items. I think I just kind of scared y'all a little bit, so sorry about that. But I do test it to make sure, just out of my curiosity. Because I have cats, and so I know one of them, they probably won't drop it, but they'll move it around and all of that. So I just wanted to make sure what would happen if it gets tapped a lot. Oh my goodness, that is such good quality. And really affordable price. When she gave me my invoice, I was super surprised by the final amount. And as I stated, I have no issues buying more because she puts them out probably a couple days ago, and there's one I really want. And again, these are just frames just so you can put images, especially if you're doing a Diamond Art Club or any other canvas from any other companies. So you can put the small image just so you can see it. And it's so pretty. It really is. If you want to collect them, just have them as picture frames. I actually wouldn't mind that if I had the space, but cats. I love my kitties, but oh my goodness, they love just going crazy with everything. And I cannot wait to use these tweezers. And I said they're matching. So she sometimes sells sets in matching or sometimes just a frame, which I don't mind because frames super won me over. And it's just so gorgeous. And I'll lean it again so y'all can see it. And I am a big Sailor Moon fan, so when I spotted it, yep, I had to pick it up. Because Venus and Mercury are my favorite. Sorry about that. And yeah, and this wonderful company, I'm going to make sure to put their Facebook page and link down to the description below if maybe some of these frames are your cup of tea as well. They're just a wonderful little accessory you can have on your desk just if you want to see, especially I've thought of whatever I complete, put it in a frame. Kind of as a reward that, hey, I got this stuff. That's just me. And again, this wonderful shop, it's called Diamonds Pop by Alexa. And it's Miss Alexa you speak with when you're communicating on any purchase. So check it out. It's really gorgeous. And she always has really different styles. So I'll put it down below. I'm a big fan of it. And it really won me over. So I already know I need to order a couple more. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Yep, emoji time. It's Sailor Moon, so a moon. You can put them in the comments below. It allows me to know you're kind enough to see the video all the way to the end. Thank you so much for that. And I really hope you enjoyed it. And now, time to paint and set this up. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.